Hello everyone, I'm Mandana. In this video, we learn how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox in Windows 10. Before I start, please be sure that the virtualization is active in your BIOS setting of the system. For checking this, please reboot your system and press F2, F10 or F12 to access the BIOS setting, and there you should check virtualization option and please enable it if it is disabled. The first step is installing VirtualBox. We navigate to the Oracle VirtualBox website and download the latest version. Here we want to install it on Windows, so we select Windows host and download this start. VirtualBox is free and open source virtualization software, and it enables you to install the operating system in virtual machines. It is recommended that your system should have at least 4 GB of RAM for better performance. Okay, the download is completed and we install it. You just follow the instruction on the screen. It's like installing any regular software on Windows. The next step is downloading the image file of any operating system that you want to use on VirtualBox. Here I want to use Ubuntu, so I download it from the official website. So you can download the ISO file of any version that you want to use. Here I use this version that is long-term support 20.4 and download it. After downloading the ISO file of the operating system that we want to use, we open the VirtualBox, click on New, select the name for virtual machine, and here is the default path. I want to change it to other drive, and here I create another folders, VirtualBox VMs, and select this folder, and we define the type of operating system and the version. Next, here you can choose the memory size. The memory size of my laptop is 8 GB, so I want to choose 2 GB for this virtual machine. Then in hard disk, create a virtual hard disk. Now create. Please pay attention that VDI should be chosen, and you can choose either dynamically allocated or fixed size. Next, and here the default is 10 GB. I will increase it to 10 GB. Create. And that's it. the machine is created. Now click on Start. And here is the place that you should choose the image file of your operating system. So we open it, add. It is saved on download. So Ubuntu, open, and we choose this and start. And click on Install Ubuntu, continue, and continue. Here we choose Erase Disk and Install Ubuntu. Don't worry about it, it won't delete anything on your Windows operating system. You're using the virtual disk space of 15 gigabyte that we created in previous steps. So it will not impact the real operating system. Install now and continue. Select the place, or you can accept the default. And here you choose the name, username, and it is the computer name, and also the password. So the username is Mandana and the computer name will be mandana.virtualbox. We continue. After the installation finish, restart the virtual system. Press enter. Okay, login and insert password. Okay, now we have a Linux machine on Windows, so we can install everything that we want to try on a Linux system. Thank you for watching.